4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up? Today we are in DC. I'm actually meeting up with another local creator, and you know, we're just doing a little bit of a collab project going on. So let's go try to find my friend Carlos. I know I'm usually out riding the e-board, but one of the motors kind of like blew, so I'm out of the e-board right now until I get that fixed. See, I rode those scooters once, and well, that will never happen again. I strongly hate the fact that the bird scooters are available to everyone, just because of the fact that to the public, they don't know the street smarts behind skating and biking, and that's just a disaster. So Carlos and I have obviously never met before. Oh, there he is. Oh shoot. Anyways, we never met before. So basically I told him I am the stereotypical YouTuber. Got the, you know, the camera with the mic on the GorillaPod with, yeah. All right, now to just start looking for Carlos. Carlos! Carlos! I didn't find him. Yo, what's up, man? Yo, I like your like, yep, I like it. That's
When'd you upgrade?
What's up?
When'd you upgrade to the EOS R?
Let's see, this is good old vlog material right here, guys. Then in that case, dude, this place is seriously banging. Oh yeah. You've never had it? Oh man. Yeah, no, it's banging.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is